How are you doing, YouTube? And welcome back to the End of Skyblock, episode 10. Wow, 10 episodes already. And it looks like we haven't done pretty much anything, really. Bear in mind that Skyblock is very, very grindy. And yeah, I'm going to take that block down. Which one is it? This one. This one? I think it's this one. So I moved the trees because this is where the path was going to be. I was going to make the mob grinder in the same direction as it was before, but it turns out I had a bit of a brainstorm stroke idea that it might cross over into the ice, the snowy biome, so I don't want that. I had to make this off camera. I've made this a little bit bigger, so that's a 9x9. I have tested it out. And collected some bone meal over time, and it turns out it worked. So that literally is probably the minimum you could have it for both mushrooms. But I'm telling you now, mushrooms sometimes take a lot, and I mean a lot of bone meal. It all depends, it's the luck of the draw. So also out here I've moved I've got the cobblestone generator, and you probably noticed that I've cut a hole in the little pathway because this is where I'm going to put the mob grinder through this way. Yeah, it's slightly off center, but I can't do much about that right now. This is the cobblestone the cobblestone generator. Bam, there we go. And yeah, so I'm tidying it up a little bit, to be honest, and making it as tidy as possible. I've made this equal round here, so we've got access to the infinite water source back here now. It's in between the houses here, just tucked away for now. We've got Greg here. Greg's still here. And we've got lots of resources, like loads of melons coming on. And yeah, we're not doing too shabby. So as you can see, I've got some mushroom stew, which I'm going to take some of that. Very rarely in Minecraft, if I'm playing a normal map, I hardly ever touch this stuff. But this is semi-easy to get hold of. But not at the moment, because we don't have any bone meal. We're just relying on the crops and the apples from the trees. We haven't had any animals spawn as yet either, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on there. But I know they do spawn, but I think there's like a criteria you got to match, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I've been kind of just tidying up, as you can see, nice and big. I've lit it up for when I'm not in here. When I've got loads of bone meal, I'll go in there and make it dark, etc. So what we're going to do is grab some slabs and make a start on how far we want to go out. Once again, we want to go probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to start branching out. So I'm going to put a T shape here. We're going to literally light it up because we don't want any spawns just yet. I've kind of left a hole in the bottom there because it kind of looks good, I think. And yeah, we're pretty much on par. So that's the direction I want to make the mob grinder, because I've got let's have a look at the biomes, check the biomes out. So what we're on. So there's a flower forest there, and we're going towards the west. If we go to the flower forest. Okay, so that tells me that there's not going to be any snow around. I'm going to try, it's going to end up probably making the usual design, but I'm going to try and see if I can improvise a little bit and make sure that, sorry, I'm scratching my head. Make sure I've got nits. No, I haven't. Make sure that I can probably make at least the original design that I've made before in prior Skyblocks, but I want to try and make it kind of bigger. I really want to go to town and make it a lot bigger than I normally would make it. So I want to make it a real big monster, you know what I mean? A monster mob grinder. Yeah. So, right, I'm going to do what I need to do off camera, aka grab loads more cobble, and then what I'm going to do is, once I'm ready, I'm going to activate the time lapse. So the next clip will be the time lapse, and yeah, pretty much I'm going to say my goodbyes now, so that way I can make this short and sweet. So hope you enjoy the time lapse, and yeah, I shall see you in the next episode. Take it easy, but obviously keep watching, right? Keep watching the time lapse, it's not over yet. But yeah, here's the time lapse, guys. Enjoy, and I shall see you next time. So as you can see, it didn't quite go to plan. Well, it kind of is and it kind of isn't. Those mobs are extremely dangerous at night, and I've run out of torches, didn't have torches with me, and I thought, by the time I go back down and go back up, I just ended up staying up there a lot of the time. So I didn't have any torches with me at that present moment in the game. So yeah, anyway, so I've died. I managed to get a relic here, which I'm going to put in here. And oh my god, we got pigs. Oh yeah, we got pigs. So as you can see, just a quick recap. At first, as you can see, the plate in the middle here, that pretty much is the original size. But I'm gonna go one bigger, and I've kind of found one on YouTube, which I'm kind of semi-following, but I didn't have enough cobblestone anyway. So I literally lost probably 2 stacks by the end of that. So what I need to do is when the sun goes down, I need to off camera kind of light it up and start grinding some more cobblestone. And we've got new friends here. I want to try and trap them at some point. Where did the other one go? Oh, he's trampling my stuff. Oh man, we need to put a stop to that. There was a second one. I swear I saw a second one. I could be wrong. There was a second pig. I might be seeing things. But cool, we got a pig. We got a pig. It's not too bad going, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to call it here. We didn't quite finish the mob grinder as planned. But look at that progress. That is a monster right there. And yeah, that's going to cause some problems in regards to mob spawn rates. I'm going to get loads underneath and everything. Wow. So I'm going to have to continue to get loads of... what am I looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? I'm going to continue to get some more cobblestone, and off camera I will be lighting that up, so at night time it becomes a bit more of a safe environment. So guys, hope you've enjoyed the time lapse. Didn't finish it as I wanted to, but it will do for now. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next episode. Take it easy.